Welcome to the Hub of Knowledge Study Style. Good evening, all of you. So here's a new video for you. MCQs based on Brahmaputra river system. As you know that we have already done the Brahmaputra river system, so we will solve some of the MCQs based on it. So here we start our question number 1. Chema-Yungdung Glacier is located in. So I told you that day also that this is Mansarovar region, and from here, from east of the Mansarovar region, there originates Brahmaputra river, and here lies Chema-Yungdung Glacier, from where this Brahmaputra river originates. And in the west of it lies Kailash range. This is Kailash range, which lies in the west of the Mansarovar region. So the answer would be Kailash range. This one, B, is the right answer. You can refer to my previous videos of Indus river system. There I have told each and everything about all the ranges: Ladakh range, Janskar range, Karakoram range, and this Kailash range. So that would be more clear to you. Now we proceed to question number 2. Consider the following statements about Brahmaputra river. First statement is, it is known as Red River of India. Oh yeah, it is right. It is known as Red River of India. Why? The reason is, when it comes from Tibet plateau, it has large iron deposits, so it appears red. So that's why it is called Red River of India. And second is, it is known as Dihang when it enters India. I told you in that video also, in the previous video, that when the Brahmaputra river enters India, it is known by the name Dihang or Siang. So this statement is right, and first statement is also correct. So the answer would be both, C. Now let's solve the third question. Which of the following are the right bank tributaries of Brahmaputra river? For this, I am quickly drawing the map of Brahmaputra river as we have done in the previous videos. For example, this is North India. This is the river Brahmaputra, originates from China and enters in India. In India, it is known as Dihang. So the right bank tributaries we have done that day also. This was here Subhanshri, and after that this was Manas, and this was the Tista, which was originating from Sikkim. So these are three the right bank tributaries I told you that day also. So first is Manas river. Yeah. Dhanshri. No, it's not Dhanshri. Dhanshri is in fact the left bank tributary of Brahmaputra river. Third is Burhi Dihang. It is also not right bank tributary, so this will also be wrong. And fourth is Debang river. No, Debang river is the left bank tributary of Brahmaputra river, so the answer would be only one Manas river. Here you can see this is Tista river, and somewhere here lies Manas river, and Dhanshri is on the left bank. So Manas river is only the tributary which is given in these options, and which is the right bank tributary of Brahmaputra river. So answer would be 1. Now read out question number 4. Which of the following are the left bank tributaries of Brahmaputra? So left bank tributaries, Manas, no, it was a right bank tributary. Dhanshri river, yeah, it is a left bank tributary. Tista river, no, it is also the right bank tributary. Lohit river, yeah, this is the left bank tributary. So the answer would be 2 and 4. You can see this in the map. See here. This is Lohit river. See, this is the left bank tributary. So this 4 will be right. And here Dhanshri, here somewhat lies Dhanshri. So this is the left bank tributary. Manas and Tista are not the left bank tributaries, they are right bank tributaries of Brahmaputra river. So answer would be 2 and 4. Now question number 5. Arrange the following rivers from west to east direction. First would be Tista, Subhanshri, Siang river, and Manas river. So we just quickly draw the diagram. We have done it earlier. This is northeast region. From here Tibet originates Brahmaputra river, enters in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh in India. And then where is Tista river? Tista river is over here, originating from the Sikkim Himalayas. Then Subhanshri river. Subhanshri is a right bank tributary. So here it originates from the Tibetan Himalayas. Here it is Subhanshri river. Third is Siang river. Siang is known here. When the Brahmaputra river enters India, it is known by the name Siang or Dihang. So this point is Siang. And then the Manas river. Manas river originates from here. It is a transboundary river in the Himalayan foothills between southern Bhutan and India, and it flows through Bhutan and Assam in India. So here it lies Manas river. So what would be the answer? They have just asked us west to east. So in the west, First of all, this is Teesta, so this would be 1, and then second would be Manas, that is 4. Third would be Subhanshri, that is 2, and fourth would be Shreyang, that is 3rd. So answer would be 1, 4, 2, 3. These concepts will be more clear to you if you will see my previous video I have made on Brahmaputra river system. So we proceed to question number 6. This is question number 6. Arrange the following from west to east. The same question. Namdapa Tiger Reserve, Guwahati, Manas River, Kaziranga National Park, Majuli Island. This also I just told you yesterday when we were doing that Brahmaputra river system. So we just make it rough. This is northern India. Brahmaputra river originating from Tibet enters in India, in Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, and then flows into Bangladesh. So Manas River is over here, flows in Bhutan and India. Guwahati, I told you that Guwahati lies between Manas and Dhanshri river. This is Dhanshri river, so Guwahati lies over here. This is Guwahati, and this is Dhanshri river. And Kaziranga National Park lies over here in the west of this river, Dhanshri river. So this is Kaziranga National Park. Now we are left with Namdapa Tiger Reserve and Majuli Island. Majuli Island lies over here. This was the river. This river was Shubhanshri. And Majuli Island lies between Shubhanshri and Buridihang river. Buridihang. So here it lies Majuli Island. This is Shubhanshri and this is Buridihang river. And if you remember, I told you that in south of this Buridihang, there is one tiger reserve, that is Namdapa Tiger Reserve. Here it is, Namdapa Tiger Reserve. So in the sequence, if we see, first of all, see, this is Manas River first, then this is Guwahati, then this is Kaziranga National Park, then this is Majuli Island, and after this is Namdapa Tiger Reserve. So what would be the answer? Manas River in the first position, that is this third part, then Guwahati in the second, and third will be Kaziranga National Park, that is 4, and then Majuli Island, that lies in 5th, and then Namdapa Tiger Reserve, that is 1. So the sequence from west to east would be 3, 2, 4, 5, 1. This would be the answer. Again I am telling you, if you want more clear view of this Brahmaputra river system, just watch my previous video. Now we come to question number 7. So this you have to tell, Brahmaputra river is known by which name in Tibet Autonomous Region of China? It's so easy, I just told you earlier also. It is known by the name Tsangpo or Yarlung Tsangpo. Yarlung Tsangpo river. You can see in this map, this is Yarlung Tsangpo river, and it lies in Tibet. And you know that major portion of this Brahmaputra river lies outside India, in Bangladesh and in China. Now we proceed to question number 8. This is question number 8. Which is the easternmost part of Himalayas from where Brahmaputra river turns into India in state of Arunachal Pradesh? So this is also very easy. I have just told you earlier. This is Namcha Barwa. It is the easternmost part of Himalayas, and from here Brahmaputra river turns into India in the state of Assam. Sorry, in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. You can see in this, this is Brahmaputra river originating from Tibet and enters in India, and from here somewhat lies Namcha Barwa. So guys, this was all about this MCQ based on the Brahmaputra river system. Hope you have liked this video, because I have just combined some of the questions for you so that you may revise it. Whatever you have learned, you may know that how the questions are put up in various exams. So this was all for today. So thank you so much. I hope you have understood all the things clearly. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and please thumbs up so that I can be motivated and bring more and more videos for you people. Thank you so much.